The ANSUL R102 Restaurant Fire Suppression System provides you with two design options. The primary is an appliance-specific design, where nozzles are aimed at specific hazard areas of the appliance. This is considered the most economical design because the agent is aimed only where it is needed. The other option is overlapping appliance protection. In this design scheme, the nozzles are installed in a straight line and provide overlapping discharge patterns. Using this layout, appliances can be moved or replaced, and as long as they stay within the fire-free zone, they will be protected. In the event of an actual fire, the fusible link detection system responds rapidly to the growing heat. When the temperature rating is exceeded, the fusible link separates, triggering the release of a compressed gas cylinder within the ANSUL release mechanism. Simultaneously, the compressed gas pressurizes the ANSUL-X agent tank and an air cylinder that trips the ANSUL mechanical gas shutoff valve. The ANSUL-X agent is then dispensed throughout the system, rapidly knocking down the flames. And because it has a neutral pH factor, ANSUL-X is gentle on kitchen equipment as well. To help prevent fire reflash, the agent creates a foam blanket that inhibits the release of flammable vapors and cools the hazard area. The system can also be actuated using the manual pull station. Its bright red color makes it easily recognizable and has protective side guards to inhibit accidental actuation. The ANSUL R102 Restaurant Fire Suppression System. Flexible fire protection designed for your changing needs.
Fire trace systems automatically detect and suppress fires using field-tested fire suppression agents. Here's how it works. Install the fire trace detection tubing throughout the special hazard you need to protect. In the event of a fire, the detection tubing will burst at the source of heat or flames. When the tubing bursts, it will release a suppression agent either directly through the hole or through connected pipes and nozzles. To learn more and start your fire suppression application, visit www.firetrace.com today.
Our business is a precision machine job shop. We manufacture any kind of component from aerospace, medical, any gadget you can think of. Everything needs parts.
The fire we had, we were running a medical part out of titanium, and one of the roughing tools broke. When the finishing tool came in, it just crashed right into the part, and titanium is very flammable. And it just lit up, and the suppression system went off, and we didn't really realize there was a fire.
Yeah, I was running next to the machine that actually caught fire. And when I went over there, the fire trace system worked and it had the fire already out.
I was surprised when it went off. We thought just an airline blew because we just heard a hissing sound. And we walked over and here the fire trace system had set itself off and it was already out.
If you're running a machine shop without fire trace, you got to be out of your mind.
We are automating our operation in the evening, so there's nobody there to watch and maintain the machines. Because we do high volume, we need to have these machines running 24 hours a day. The fire that recently happened, fire trace system put the fire out in a matter of seconds. We obviously have a lot invested in the machine, and the safety of our employees is number one, and all of that was intact, and we were back up manufacturing within a matter of a day.
I think other machine shops should be using fire trace in case something would happen, and they could save themselves a lot of money if it would.
Any machine shop considering not running a fire suppression system is just dumb. You're spending at least $250,000 a piece on a machine, and to protect that with a small fraction of that cost is just a no-brainer.